Have you ever walked into a room and instantly forgotten why you went there? Or opened your phone to check one thing, and 20 minutes later you're watching a video about a penguin stealing rocks? Why do humans do such weird things? And here's the strange part. Most of the time, your brain thinks it's being perfectly logical. Today, we're going to uncover some of the weirdest human behaviors and the surprising science behind them. By the end of this video, you'll discover why your brain secretly tricks you every single day. Humans like to think they're rational. We believe we make smart decisions. We believe we're in control. But if that's true, why do we procrastinate? Why do we laugh when we're nervous? Why do we crave junk food even when we're not hungry? Why do we keep checking our phones every few minutes? The answer lies inside the most complicated object in the known universe: your brain. Section 1. The doorway effect. Let's start with something almost everyone experiences. You walk into another room and suddenly forget what you came for. Scientists call this the doorway effect. Your brain treats doorways like chapter breaks in a book. When you move into a new environment, your brain automatically updates its mental scene. Sometimes the old task gets pushed into the background. So no, you're not losing your memory. Your brain is simply filing information into a different folder. Section 2. Why we procrastinate. Here's another weird behavior. You know you should start studying. You know the deadline is tomorrow. Yet somehow, cleaning your desk suddenly becomes extremely important. Why? Because your brain values immediate rewards more than future rewards. Psychologists call this present bias. The reward for watching a funny video happens now. The reward for studying happens later. Your brain often chooses the smaller reward that's available immediately. It's not laziness, it's ancient survival programming. Section 3. Why we check our phones constantly. Ever checked your phone, then checked it again 2 minutes later? Even though nothing happened, that's because your brain loves uncertainty. Every notification could be something exciting: a message, a like, a surprise. This activates the brain's reward system. Interestingly, unpredictable rewards are even more addictive than predictable ones. It's the same principle that makes slot machines so powerful. Your brain keeps thinking, maybe something interesting happened this time. Section 4. Why we laugh in serious moments. Have you ever laughed at the worst possible moment? A serious meeting, an awkward situation, a stressful event. It feels wrong, but it's surprisingly normal. Sometimes laughter acts like an emotional pressure valve. Your brain uses it to release tension when emotions become overwhelming. In other words, you're not laughing because something is funny. You're laughing because your brain is trying to cope. Section 5. Why we follow crowds. Imagine you're walking down a street. Suddenly everyone starts looking up. What do? Most people look up too, even if they have absolutely no idea why. This behavior helped our ancestors survive. If everyone ran away from danger, following the group was usually a smart decision. The habit is still buried deep inside us today. Section 6. The big secret. Here's the biggest surprise of all. Most of your decisions happen before you're even aware of them. Your brain processes enormous amounts of information behind the scenes. Then it presents the final choice to your conscious mind, which means your conscious self may be more like a narrator than a driver. And that's one of the strangest facts about being human. Conclusion. So why do humans do weird things? Because our brains weren't designed for modern life. They were designed to help our ancestors survive. And those ancient survival systems still influence our behavior today. The next time you forget why you entered a room, procrastinate on an important task, or check your phone for the 10th time. Remember, your brain isn't broken, it's just running very old software. And once you understand that software, you can start taking control of it.